Christmas here, and I'm just working on these super cute little ice cream cone and strawberry sets. And these were a little set that came in the Tier 4 Patreon boxes this month for May, and they received a little wood set and the pattern to complete this little set here. And these are cute. You can, use them as like a little keychain or something to hang on your purse or your knitting bag, or they make great little necklaces for little girls, or gift tags. They're just super cute, and I glittered up the back. They're just ultra cute. I love them. Anyways, I just wanted to show you a really super simple trick for painting the ridges on the ice cream cone and your little crosshatch pattern here. And I'm going to use a 1/4 inch angular and russet paint. And I'm just going to load the tip of my brush and load back and forth. And I want the back edge of my brush to be clean, so I'm going to pinch that out. And I'll start on this side here and start painting my top ridge with one float on the side. And you can see behind here, you should be able to pick that up. There's a water line, not a dirty line because we cleaned out the back end of our brush. And I'm going to follow that line to create my next float. And there's another one here. It's a miracle. We just keep making them. And this is a good way to avoid any graphite lines and extra marks on your painting that you really don't want. And you just follow those lines, and your cone shape just starts to come together. And any marks down below here we'll just wipe out with our brush. And for the crosshatch is exactly the same. For the diamond shapes, I'm going to start a little higher up here on this side and start my first float and bring it up to the underside of my cone rim. And I'm going to follow that wet water line again, and you get literally perfect lines, perfectly straight, perfectly positioned for your next line. And so when that's dry, I'm going to go back and I'm going to cross hatch the other way, and you'll have a perfectly shaped diamond waffle cone style look to your little ice cream cone. So I know that's really simple, but I hope it was helpful, and it's always fun to see a strawberry ice cream cone, isn't it? I will talk to you soon, and if you're interested in these are available on my website at www.kimchristmas.com. Talk to you soon.